Hi, I'm Derek Bolduc. Are you thinking about selling your home? Well, now is a really good time to put a plan in place and schedule an appointment with Jason Clarke of eXp Realty. Whether you need to buy or sell, call the agent I would call, Jason Clarke. Now, Jason has 1,814 buyers in his database, and your home may already be sold. Go to jasonhasthebuyers.ca. Now, Jason Clarke has local experience in every kind of market, hot, cold, buyer's market, seller's market. And you know what? When it's a hot market, sometimes sellers are worried they're going to leave money on the table and not be able to find a home once there sells. Well, you can ask Jason Clarke about his system for netting top dollar for your current home while ensuring a stress-free transition into your new home. When Adam needed to sell his Woodhaven home, he called Jason Clarke, and Jason came in, put his guaranteed sales program into place, and sold Adam's home for $122,000 over the asking price, and he did it in only 5 days. Adam says Jason was really easy to work with, and the entire process was smoother than expected. You can Google Jason Clarke or go to jasonhasthebuyers.ca.